Learn Hindi negatives fast. English 2.
नहीं,
With.
मैं नहीं समझता.
Welcome to the land of number. Hey, you're about to learn some wonderfully useful Hindi phrases that all have one magical idea in common. Saying no, not, or nope. And yes, this will be more fun than accidentally replying to every question with just a nervous smile. Imagine you arrive in India with confidence, a notebook, and exactly 3 brain cells still awake. Someone speaks too fast. A shopkeeper shows you a shiny thing. A friend asks if you are coming. Another person asks where a man is. Then your whole group studies a map like it is ancient treasure code. Suddenly, these 5 Hindi survival phrases become your superheroes. First.
मैं नहीं समझता.
Meaning I do not understand. Second.
वो महंगा नहीं है.
Meaning that is not expensive. Third.
मैं आज नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
Meaning I am not coming today. Fourth.
वो वहाँ नहीं है.
Meaning he is not there. Fifth.
हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
Meaning we are not sure. Notice the tiny hero in almost every sentence.
नहीं.
The word for not. Tiny word, huge power. Your secret weapon.
नहीं.
Before the full phrases stick, let your ear get comfortable with the star of the show. This little word shows up like a polite ninja. In Hindi.
नहीं.
Often carries the idea of not. Hear it, and your brain should go, ah, something is being denied, cancelled, or gently rejected. Say it slowly.
नहीं.
Again.
नहीं.
Now hear it inside full phrases.
मैं नहीं समझता. वो महंगा नहीं है. मैं आज नहीं आ रहा हूँ. वो वहाँ नहीं है. हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
If.
नहीं.
Were a movie character, it would be the one folding its arms and saying, not today. Scene 1. Total confusion, very honest face. Let us start with the phrase that can save you from fake nodding. Honest confusion is better than confident nonsense. You are in class. The teacher speaks fast. Your neighbor nods like a genius. You nod too, but only because your neck panicked. Then the teacher asks, do you understand? This is your moment. You breathe in and say,
मैं नहीं समझता.
It means, I do not understand. You can also use it in fuller moments, like,
मैं सवाल नहीं समझता.
meaning I do not understand the question. Or politely,
माफ कीजिए, मैं नहीं समझता.
meaning sorry, I do not understand. Funny memory trick. Imagine a parrot looking at math homework and dramatically shouting.
मैं नहीं समझता.
If the parrot can admit confusion, so can you. Scene 2. The budget hero in the bazaar. Now let us go shopping, where your wallet deserves emotional support. Good news, Hindi can help. You enter a market and see a bag that looks expensive enough to come with its own security guard. You point to another item and ask about it. The answer you want to hear is,
वो महंगा नहीं है.
that means, that is not expensive. Break the idea apart if you like.
वह.
Is that.
महंगा.
Is expensive.
नहीं.
Is not, and.
है.
Is. Tiny shopping dialogue. A. Is that costly? B.
वो महंगा नहीं है.
And just like that, your face changes from panic to bargain hunter sunshine. Scene 3. The Great Cancellation. Sometimes language learning is not about adventure. Sometimes it is about messaging people while staying under a blanket. It is raining, your shoes are dry, your tea is hot, and your motivation has left the building. A friend texts, are you coming today? You answer,
मैं आज नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
that means, I am not coming today. You might also hear it in a longer polite sentence.
माफ कीजिए, मैं आज दफ्तर नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
Meaning sorry, I am not coming to the office today. Memory trick. Picture yourself fully dressed, opening the door, staring outside, spinning around like a dramatic movie star, and announcing to nobody in particular.
मैं आज नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
Scene 4. The Missing Man Mystery. Now for a classic everyday problem. You expected someone to be somewhere, but reality had other plans. You arrive at a station, a meeting, or a cafe. Everyone looks around. One chair is empty. Someone asks, "Is he there?" You answer,
वो वहाँ नहीं है.
that means, he is not there. Here the useful pieces are easy to notice.
वह,
For he,
वहाँ,
for there,
नहीं,
for not, and
है.
for is. Funny picture for memory. A detective in dark glasses searches behind a tiny lamp for a full-grown man, then sighs and says,
वो वहाँ नहीं है.
Scene 5. The group that has no idea. Last one. A very human phrase for when your whole team is confidently confused together. You and your friends stand over a map. One road goes left, one goes right, and both look equally suspicious. A local asks, "Do you know the way?" Your group answers,
हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
This means, we are not sure. Another useful version is,
अभी हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
meaning right now, we are not sure. Imagine 5 adults staring at one tiny menu for 20 minutes before finally saying, with deep seriousness,
हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
that is not failure. That is vocabulary. Quick fire dialogue drill. Now you answer with the Hindi phrase, no pressure. Okay, a tiny bit of pressure. The fun kind. A. Do you understand? B.
मैं नहीं समझता.
A. Is that expensive? B.
वो महंगा नहीं है.
A. Are you coming today? B.
मैं आज नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
A. Is he there? B.
वो वहाँ नहीं है.
A. Do you know the right answer? B.
हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
Mini quiz, big glory. Let us see what stuck. If you get one wrong, that is not failure. That is your brain doing push-ups. How do you say I do not understand?
मैं नहीं समझता.
How do you say that is not expensive?
वो महंगा नहीं है.
How do you say I am not coming today?
मैं आज नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
How do you say he is not there?
वो वहाँ नहीं है.
How do you say we are not sure?
हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You just learned 5 genuinely useful Hindi phrases, and your future self is already impressed. Today you practiced how to say,
मैं नहीं समझता. वो महंगा नहीं है. मैं आज नहीं आ रहा हूँ. वो वहाँ नहीं है.
and.
हम निश्चित नहीं हैं.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases during your day, and do not worry if it feels messy at first. A little Hindi every day goes a long way. See you in the next chapter, and until then, practice boldly and enjoy the process.